Want to learn how to use the ESPN Fantasy app in 2025? First, download and open the app, then pick the fantasy sport you want to play. Football, basketball, baseball, it's all here. To join a league, tap Create or Join League, then choose Join Public League. You'll see options for beginner, pro, or custom leagues, plus draft times. Tap Join, and your new league will appear under your Sport tab. Once inside your league, managing your team is easy. Tap a player's position to swap them with someone on your bench, check live matchups to see scores and projections, and use the new League Chat feature to talk with other players. The tabs at the bottom let you track trades, waiver claims, player news, standings, schedules, and even playoff brackets. You can also update your team name and logo from the info section anytime. If you'd rather run your own league, tap Create League, give it a name, and share the invite link with friends. Inside League Manager tools, you can adjust draft settings, scoring, roster sizes, and team limits, plus set visibility or manage co-managers. More advanced settings are only available on the ESPN website, but the app covers all the essentials. Finally, drafting a team is simple. Enter a live or practice draft, add players to your queue, and track picks on the color-coded draft board. Switch between roster views to see who you've drafted and what other teams look like. You can even adjust auto-pick, sound, and display options in the settings menu during the draft. That's all you need to get started with ESPN Fantasy in 2025. If this helped you, tap like, drop your best fantasy football tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.